Creaform's new R-series scanning solutions are perfect for manufacturing companies who want to increase their productivity by measuring more dimensions on more parts without compromising on accuracy. The R-series offers two kinds of solutions. First, the MetraSCAN 3D-R is a powerful, innovative robot-mounted optical CMM scanner that can be seamlessly integrated into any custom automated quality control processes for at-line inspection in mass production. Second, the Cube-R leverages the power of the MetraSCAN 3D-R in a high-productivity turnkey 3D scanning CMM featuring 16 different possible configurations that is designed to be integrated into factories for at-line inspections. The R-series offers to solve CMM productivity issues. The new MetraSCAN 3D-R has the capability to measure complex 3D shapes and highly reflective surfaces without any part preparation. Speed issues are solved thanks to 45 blue laser lines spreading over 3 different orientations, which can allow the inspection of hundreds of parts per day. Labor problems are also resolved thanks to Creaform's new digital twin environment software module, VXscan-R. This new software has scanning intelligence embedded, meaning that it manages line of sight, collision, singularities, but also robot speed based on the scanning resolution requested. Simply select what you want to scan. VXscan-R makes automated quality control accessible to anyone, even those who are not experts in robotic, 3D scanning, or with Creaform technologies. So, are you looking for a custom or a turnkey solution for automated quality control? Well, the MetraSCAN 3D-R and Cube-R deliver unmatched results across the board.